Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to learn how to use two WhatsApp account on one mobile. First, open WhatsApp. In the top right corner you will find three dot button. Tap on the three dot, go to settings. Beside your profile name you will notice a plus sign. Tap on the plus sign. A pop-up will appear. There you will find option add account. There is a plus sign. Tap on the plus sign. It will take you to this page. Add an account. You need to agree and continue to go to the next step. Tap on agree and continue. Give your mobile number. Tap on next. Is this the correct number? Tap yes. It will provide a code. It will send a code to your number. You need to provide the code here. If you didn't get the number, you can simply press didn't receive the code. Miss call. I'm going to click miss call. Tap continue. Okay, requesting a call. Verification is complete. You need to choose a profile picture for your account. Tap on the sign. You can use camera or use gallery. Tap on gallery. Choose picture, any picture from here. Okay, I want to select this picture for my account and simply tap on next. Add email to protect your account. You can set this settings later. Press simply on skip. Adding account. Wait a bit. Yeah, your account has been created. If you want to switch account, then tap on the three dot button, click switch account. This is your number one account and click on switch account again. This is your secondary account. That's how you may create two WhatsApp accounts on one mobile. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.